Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anju's Cooking. Today I am going to make eggless coconut cookies. Let's have a look into the ingredients. 1 cup wheat flour, half cup jaggery powder, 9 tablespoon milk, 1/4 cup melted butter, 1/4 cup desiccated coconut. To a bowl, add the melted butter. Next, add jaggery powder. Give it a nice mix. Now add in the wheat flour. Add the desiccated coconut. Combine everything well. Add in milk, just enough to gather it into a dough. Take 1 tablespoon of batter. Roll it into a small ball. Now slightly flatten it with your palm. While shaping the cookies, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Sprinkle the remaining coconut onto the top of the cookies. Bake the cookies for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Let it cool for 10 minutes. Healthy eggless coconut cookies is ready. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel.